and I go Johnny and Super goes Bones, like, yeah, you're probably dying in 1 minute, like your whole team. There's like a pretty good chance of that happening. It's probably like a 90-95% chance that's probably gonna happen. Unless you're like a 4-man stack, then probably not. Anna's running by the cold room towards the ladder. Yeah, she's in cold room, Anna. Two of them are in cold room. I think it's Danny and Anna are cold room.
Let's get it.
Okay, I hit them a lot.
Leland over here by Central Tunnel.
Yeah.
Having a bone.
Yeah, I hit them a lot.
Leland went through. I'm on Leland.
Connie's at this crack under the 2 doors between Slaughter. Oh, she's on me. She's right here. Yeah, no, she's right. I just stopped hitting her. She was like walking with me. I wasn't hitting her and she was just stopping. Damn. You know, Connie, I felt like we had a moment there for a second. Had a little something going.